What's the meaning of Burke and Hare? Burke and Hare. Burke and Hare.
Burke and Hare. Burke and Hare. Burke and Hare were two notorious serial killers who operated in Edinburgh, Scotland in the early 19th century. They would lure unsuspecting victims to their lodging house, where they would murder them and sell the bodies to medical schools for dissection and research. The murders went undiscovered for some time due to the demand for fresh corpses for medical studies and the fact that the victims were often poor and transient. However, eventually, their crimes were discovered and both Burke and Hare were arrested and convicted. Hare turned on Burke and agreed to testify against him in exchange for immunity, and Burke was executed by hanging in front of a large crowd on January 28, 1829.